Hello everyone, this is Tushar. Uh, Today I am the host for today's webinar. So today's agenda is to know more about lead capturing forms and export features of the Kylas for reporting. So Pravash is with me. So over to you, Pravash.
Hey, hello audience. So this is Pujari, and actually I'm the customer success manager over here in Kailash. So as Tushar told you, like today's topic is basically the lead capturing form, the LCF. Okay, we call that LCF, and the report export in CSV in Kylas CRM. So before starting there, let me just there might be some question from your end, what is lead capture form and how to create that, and what is report export. So let me give you some small brief about LCF. So LCF is a form that we can create from basically Kylas CRM, and we can get those particular details from our website, from any other portals, and once we achieve that particular data, that will be added in our CRM directly. So this is how we can automate a small process. Okay, so you need not to worry about where the lead came from. All those things will be coming from your website. So as you know, like your website might be having some contact us form kind of thing. So when everybody are going and just putting their data over there, that is coming to your Kylas CRM. So how to create that is like a question. So what I'll do right now, I'm just going to showcase you how LCF or like lead capturing form can be created in Kylas CRM. So like as you know, this is the part where you can go and just log into Kylas. That is the app.kylas.io. So once you go there, you'll get to know this sign-in form. So you can go and just put your credential here, and you can sign into Kylas CRM. So when you came here, a few things are there. I think you know what is lead and other things. So leads are nothing but your raw data, like that is coming as a suspect for you, and you need to qualify that for your business needs and all. So you need to pitch your things over there. Once you qualify that, then you can create a deal. All those things can be done from lead. So as you know, like lead comes with multiple data. Okay, let me just showcase you how it look like. So whenever you're going to add a lead, you can see a lot of fields over here. So when you're getting these fields, so few fields which are very mandatory for you. So what you can do, you can create that particular small form over there, that LCF form, and you can capture those required data so that you can start your suspect to prospect journey. So let me go back now. So as you know, this is a CRM setting. Once you go here, you can see your integration is one of the option, and you can see the lead capture form under integrations. Or else you can go and just see from here, and you can see the lead capture form is also available here. So once you click on the lead capture form, what it provides you, or what is asked you basically, just to go and create one new form. So new form might be for your website. It might be for any of your other campaigns. You can do all those things there. Then you can put the form name, that is let's say contact us form. Contact us, you can put here. You can put the greeting thanks for being here. You can put your thank you message. Thanks for submitting your queries or query. And you can see submit option is there. So instead of submit, you can put other words also. Send kind of thing, you can put that. Let's say I'm just going to put that send. And you can put your disclaimer also. Let's say disclaimer might be, please go with our, if you're not getting any call from our sales team, you can contact us on this number. You can put all those things there. So let me put here, please read our privacy policy. You can start adding from here. So I hope you got to know how to create this. So from you have multiple forms. Currently I do have only one, that is website form, and contact us is there. Greeting will be there, thank you message, and send option is there, or you can put that submit or send. Then you can see the disclaimer. So once you complete this particular form, you can go to next. So once you go to next, now it will ask you to go and put those required fields which is required for your qualification of a lead. Let's say I'm going to add here from this list, I'm going to add first name, and you can make this mandatory also for you. Okay. Added to that, you can put some placeholder here so that you'll get to know that particular data is for this one. Just like giving help desk, can also add here. Please put your first name. Okay. And you can just simply go and click on add. So now you can see this is required field and showing the first name. And we're going to add few other fields here from here. I'm going to search here the last name also. So last name might be also mandatory for you, and you can put that. In other cases, you might be asking for the some email IDs. So you can put that email here, and you can change this. Instead of email, you can put here email address. You can make that also mandatory if required, and you can put some help desk. Like let's say I'm putting here please provide your official email address. So you can put this, and next we can go and put here the mobile number kind of thing. So contact number is there. You can make that let's say either mobile number or phone number. You can put that mobile number. Let's say this is mandatory for us, and I'm adding this. Post to that any thing that you want to add here from your lead, you'll get all those details here. Okay, so let's say I might be asking what are the products you're looking for. So I have a product module basically. So in the product module, you might be having a lot of products. You can simply go and click on that. You can put here only products, let's say, or you can say product and service also, no problem in that. And you can make that also mandatory if you want to get to understand who is asking for and all. Okay. And allowed values is there, means how many things I do have. Let's say implementation is service here. I don't want to add service. So what I'll do, I'll just go and edit this as products, and I'll just allow few things like this one is my product, this one is my product, and these two. Okay. And this is something called pre-chosen value, means the default value. What you want to provide the default value. So let's say this is on the default value, the minimum part you can say, and you can please select the product you are looking for. And I can add this also. Or you can see now, it's showing you some details here, what is asking and all. Okay. And let's say I'm putting another field here, and let it be requirement. So that is something required for many more companies. Or you can put here also message. You must have seen that message is a common thing in many websites. And also I'm going to put here some other one, that is, let's say, number of users required. I can go and put here number of users required, and I can also make that mandatory. So now what you can see, once I go just add here, you can see now small form is showing. Okay. Now this will be your form preview, and I'll just showcase you in some different you can say platform how this form will look like, because whenever you're going to see this. And one more thing is there, let's say you skip some particular field to add here. So later on also you can go and you can put that particular field. And if you want to do some changes from here also, you can do that by clicking here. Let's say I'm going to put that. It was not mandatory. I skipped that. Let's say I can go and just make that mandatory, and I can update that. So now you can see it's showing required. So once you see this, now I'm going to save this particular form. So now you can see one code is showing here. So this is nothing but a HTML code. So what you can do, you might be having a website owner or website like admin. So you can pass on this particular code from here. You can just copy from here, copy it, and you can pass on that through mail or any other channel, so that your developer, the website developer, website admin, you can go and put that in your website. And I'm showing you how it will look like. So I just copied this, and I'm just going to check from W3 School, one of my favorite platform. I can just go and add here and run this particular code. So once I run this, now you can see this form will look like this. Okay. And whenever you're going to go and just select here, you can see it's a, you can say a default one. Okay. You can go and just select other one also from here. You can remove this one. So you can choose multiple product also, or let's say products and services. You can do all those things from here. Any message that you want to type, you can type the message. And this is, let's say, a number field. So you can put your number here. Let's say I'm going for 5 users. Okay. And in the same time, once you go and just, it's in your, let's say it's in your website, and I'm finding that I just added everything here, and I'm going to put that in my website. Let me add this. Yeah, I can like write a message. We need 5 licenses of this and that. You can put these things here. So once you put this data here, let's say sub X Pro. Okay. So what will happen basically, once you go and just click on send, automatically that data will be going to your CRM. So unfortunately, this is only for like showcase purpose. So once I click here, also the data won't be going there. So if it's a live one in your website, you can simply because visitor come there, they like saw the contractor's form, and they can go and just fill that data. So once the data will be added there, you are getting that lead in your CRM. Instantly you'll get that. So you need to worry on that like delay and other things. Automatically go and just add the data here as a new lead. And you might be having some processes, some workflows over there that once any lead is coming as a new lead, then one mail should be triggered to him. Then one might be creating some tasks for you. All those things can be done as usual. So this is how you can create your LCF, or you can see lead capture form. So giving you like another like heads up on this. First of all, you have to go. These are the steps basically. The form details. You can put the form details from here. Then you can go to next. You can see the form like fields. You can add the like fields from here. Post to that, you can just go and save that. Once you save that, you are getting something like this. I'm showing you how it will be from the backend. You can see now we had this this one basically 16 Feb. Once you go, you can go and check that form. So if you want to do any changes here, you can do that as well. Okay. So let's say I'm going to next, and I found that in my case, product is not required to make that mandatory. So I can just go and just uncheck that one. Okay. And if you don't want to like put any other value here, you can simply make it like you can change that particular default value. Okay. If you change like the headless other things, you can do that and update that. So once you update that, that would be impacting your the same thing. So you need not to go and change that code time by time. You'll get that. And once you save this, you are getting the particular code. And this code you need to go and just put in your website. So this is pretty simple. There is no like rocket science is there. Anybody can just who having the idea about the lead and other things and who understand their own process, he can build this. Now we are like moving towards like report export basically. How we can export a report in like you can say editing mode basically. So now I'm just going to my report section. So I hope you're like aware of the where you will get the reports. So you can see this report is available here. So once you go and just you can choose any of your like which one you want to go and just download that. So it's sometimes required for your management. They usually ask you to just provide that in Excel format. So that's like headache for you earlier. So after 2.0 Kylas, it is now available for you. So whenever you are going to put any, let's say, I'm showing you the let's say lead owner wise report. This is one of the report. And you can see this particular view and you can see the tabular view. Now, like your management wants that in Excel format. So what you can do, you can see this 3 dots. Once you click here, you can see the download option is available. So once you click on download, this report will be downloaded. So before going there, let me give you one more like idea on this. Let's say if you want to like change this custom part from here to here, and you want only last year data I'm putting here. So you can see the last year data, it's showing a lot of data. So you just change that from the created ad, and you can simply go and save that in a different format also if you require, or you can simply go and save the report. So once you save this report, now you can see the data is showing here, like the owner, the pipeline stage, in which pipeline stage basically the lead is there, which product he is looking for. If the data is there, you will get that. Number of leads assigned to him, and what is the percentage basically out of the total. So now simply you can click on these 3 dots and you can download the report. So you can see a report can be downloaded like this, and you can open that in CSV format basically, and you can make that like XLS. So now you can see the data is coming like this. So any changes that you want to do here, like manual changes that you want to add, you can do that even. So this is pretty simple. There is no such like you can say different difficult things are there. Simply any report that is already there with you, you can go to the report section. Any report that you want to add, you can simply go and check that report. And if you want to download that, come here and download. So this is all about report download. Tushar, this is coming to an end of this session.
Yes, I think. Yes, we are good to wrap up.
Great. So thank you so much for joining the session. And you are getting this particular video in the same like YouTube channel, or else we are going to send you over email.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Good day.